Excellence is not a skill, it's an attitude. Ralph Marston. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss an idiom, a king's ransom. A king's ransom. In this class, we are going to discuss in detail about the meaning and usage of the idiom, a king's ransom. Let's get into the lesson. A king's ransom means a very large sum of money. A very large sum of money. An exorbitant sum of money. Exorbitant means unreasonably high value. That is meant as exorbitant. If you refer to a sum of money as a king's ransom, you are emphasizing that it is very large. A very large amount of money or valuable is said to be a king's ransom. So, a king's ransom means an exorbitant amount of money, large sum of money. Now, we are going to use this a king's ransom in sentence. Look at this example. My family paid a king's ransom for that apartment. It means my family paid an exorbitant amount of money for that apartment. Number 2, I have always wanted to visit Himachal, but the plane tickets cost a king's ransom. It means I've always wanted to visit Himachal, but the price of the ticket cost an exorbitant amount, a huge amount of money. Third example, this painting was bought for a king's ransom. It means this painting was bought for a huge amount of money. And the last example, the diamond necklace must have cost a king's ransom. It means the diamond necklace costs a very large sum of money, an exorbitant sum of money. So, a king's ransom means an exorbitant sum of money, a very large amount of money or values. So far in this class, we have discussed the idiom king's ransom. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.